We've all seen oddball items at thrift stores. Are you missing their great potential for your yard and garden? In this video, I'm going to show you what I chose this week for my yard and garden from my favorite thrift store. The already stylish items will speak for themselves, but a few of the items will get quick but dramatic makeovers. You'll get great ideas for your own yard, but you'll also realize that some of the best garden items are the unlikely ones. Hello, my friends, welcome. I am so excited to tell you all about the items that I got for my garden this week at my favorite thrift store. Stick around till the end because I want to show you how you can transform your own items for the outdoors. First, I'm going to show you some great items that I scouted out that were already okay as they were. Keep watching because then I'll be showing you the Misfit items that I had to transform. Hidden behind a rolling cart in the thrift store, I found this charming wooden tray for only $2.99. I knew it would make a great statement in my yard. It only took a few quick touch-ups and a water sealer spray coat to turn this into a display tray for summer entertaining. I can think of at least 5 different areas in my yard and garden where I can use this tray. I'm glad I spotted this eye-catching piece of decor. It's made of wood, metal, and heavy plaster. It has a lot of weight for its size, which will anchor it down in the wind. It's an orange ticket item, so today it's being offered at half price, which is only $1.25. I use this outdoor serving cart to showcase things that I love. I think this new item from the thrift store looks great with the other items that are on display. I was so lucky to find these vintage glass candle holders with metal handles for only $2.99 each. It's a good thing I always do a triple check around the thrift store. Otherwise, I might not have found this third candle holder on a different shelf. These candle holders are both useful and amazing, just about anywhere you might hang them. I hung them in the woods as I listened to the birds singing just as it was getting dark. This was such a peaceful experience for me. I am so grateful that I found the beauty in these next items because they would be so easy to overlook. Many people would turn their noses up at these Misfit candle sconces. They were designed to look like rusty orange, wavy leather belts with fake stitching. The price tag of $4.50 each was kind of high for something that wasn't versatile in style. Their potential was in the fact that there was a pair of them and that they were a heavy metal that could be easily painted. A quick coat of dark paint, a transparent layer of metallic, and a hint of teal color transformed these pieces into looking like they were expensive bronze sconces. You might find this hard to believe, but it only took under 4 minutes each to transform these. I'm so glad I didn't pass up this item. It was a shiny, plastic, miscolored item, and it did not look expensive at all. Since it was only $2.99, I knew it had potential as an architectural piece. I sprayed on some color and I laid on some texture. I repeated the process until I got exactly the look I was going for. I'm really happy with this because it looks just like molded concrete, perfect for the outdoors. I totally love how this looks in our side yard, and it took less than 5 minutes to do it. I was originally very optimistic when I saw this stack of metal buckets, and they were only priced at $3.99 for 9 of them. Then, I got pretty disappointed when I discovered that this was actually someone's abandoned Christmas project, and some of the buckets had unfinished paintings all over them. For a whole set of 9 metal buckets, it was worth the risk. Turns out, it didn't take much to get the thick painted designs off the buckets. I covered up the buckets with a dark coat of paint and then a spritz of metallic paint. I finished it off with some sparkle elements, and these can really twinkle in the sunlight. I'm going to use these as planters. I'm going to group them up and hang them on our fence and on our privacy wall. Because there's 9 of them, I have great opportunity to use them creatively. And each bucket took less than 2 minutes to redo. In my very next video, I'm going to teach you these quick and easy upscale paint techniques. This way, you can give your own thrift store finds unique luxury finishes. And what's really great about this is these techniques will take you under 5 minutes each, and they'll be durable and ready for the outdoors. Please subscribe so that you don't miss this upcoming video and more videos on thrifting, luxuries for less, and yard transformations. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day.